friends, Jana here with JMarieDesigned. Today I have a quick unboxing, but then I'm going to show you a adorable card that I made with the Potasse Meadow stamp set. And it's super cute. She's all chefy. But I am obsessed with the piggies in this kit. This is the March 2025 Crafty Crew Kit from Crafty Stamp Co. And you can check out craftystampco.com. I will have a link in the description box below with my affiliate link. No charge to you, just gives me a little something extra to help keep things going. But this is everything that comes in the kit. So let's make our cute little card. And the papers I'm using are from the kit. The paper pad that's in here is fantastic and will work so well with either the Suey chefs, which are the piggies, or with Potasse Meadow. And she is decked out in her chef's jacket and everything. So I'm just getting everything glued down. I love the paper is it's so fantastic on both sides. Makes it really hard to pick which side to use, but I love these little flower containers. And so I just put a piece of parchment down. I use my little smusher. Don't want any glue worms. So now I'm just kind of auditioning my layout. I had a vision in my head of how I wanted it to look, but now I'm just going over and making sure that everything's going to fit where I want it to. And I love these little stacked mixing bowls, and the sentiment says, life's short, lick the spoon. Or lick the bowl, actually, even better. I think there was an older set that said life's short, lick the spoon. I think it was with the Macaron Meadow. So we're just getting everything glued down. I love these blues, and it's not really a pink. It's not red. It's kind of a salmon color, but not really. I don't know what I'd call it. Fabulous is what I'll call it, actually. So we're going to get everything glued down. And so with the Crafty Crew kits, there is a pre-order, and once they're gone, they're gone. They won't be released individually as stamps and stuff in the store for probably about a year. But you can either sign up for a monthly subscription or just a one-time, but you do need to pre-order. And it's worth it, so worth it. Christina puts such care into packaging everything up. It's wrapped in tissue paper. Everything comes in a neat little zipper mesh bag to hold it all together. Even the paper pad has a little plastic holder for it. And then there's the stamp sets, the stencil, the paper pad, and then there's always goodies. And this time it was the ribbon and the baker's twine, which you can see in my little unboxing video. So this was just a quick card. I will have some longer ones with coloring as well, but here we go. There is my adorable Potasse Meadow with her life's short, lick the bowl.